Agarwal on stage, please. Give him very big hand. Mr. Kiritbhai Patel, Director Sales and Marketing. Mr. Mukeshbhai Patel, Director Account and Finance. And Mr. Jigneshbhai Patel, Mr. Jigarbhai Patel, Plant Head. And Mr. D.R. Patel. अभी मैं आप सभी लोगों को प्रोग्राम के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करना चाहूँगा। सबसे पहले हम इवेंट की शुभारंभ दीप प्रगट्य से करेंगे। इसके बाद डायरेक्टर्स पैनल अपने व्यूज हमारे साथ शेयरिंग करेंगे। देन आफ्टर हम न्यू डिजाइन का लॉन्चिंग करेंगे। उसके बाद डीजे कम डिनर का आयोजन किया है। दीप प्रागट्य के लिए हमारे सेल्स प्रमोटर्स को मैं दीप प्रागट्य के लिए इनवाइट करता हूं। सबसे पहले मिस्टर दीपक भाई पटेल फ्रॉम एक्सारो ट्रेन लिंक्स अहमदाबाद, मिस्टर राम निवास जी सपना मार्बल हिम्मतनगर, मिस्टर सुभाष जी सपना मार्बल महसाना, Mr. Darpan Bhai suddenly not available in this launching ceremony, so I'd like to request Mr. T.R. Patel for the prerogative. Thank you, sir.
लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, दोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव
Ronak Patel, Project Sales Ahmedabad, Mr. Vishal Prajapati, Senior Area Sales Executive North Gujarat, and Mr. Utpal Lak. Okay, madam. And once again,
Krunal Trivedi is based at Rajkot and handling transport and power.
just recently Mr. Krunal Trivedi, he based at Rajkot and conducting the total Saurashtra territory.
And Mr. Jignesh Patel is based
Mr. Jignesh Patel based at Baroda, is Baroda and surrounding territory. And one of the charming personality, as you know him very well, Mr. Harkisan Jagat, General Manager Sales and Marketing.
and he is Mr. Harshal Soni, our hero of the show.
Thank you, thank you.
First of all, I would like to give a huge round of applause to all of our trade associates for taking their precious time. सैटरडे जनरली कलेक्शन का टाइम होता है, तो चेक लिखने की बहुत मगजमारी होती है, तो आप लोगों ने टाइम निकाल के यहाँ पर आप सब जो पधारे हैं तो बहुत ही आपका अभिवादन हम लोग करते हैं. एंड वी assured you today will be a grand launching of Exaro Tiles, and as well as we had a dance masti also and some other program also that Mr. Halsa Soni will let you know about the total brief of the program. इतना अच्छा समय निकाल के हम लोग इकट्ठा हुए हैं तो मार्केट के बारे में, टाइल्स के बारे में हम थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कस करेंगे, ज्यादा नहीं करेंगे, आपको बोर नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज वो रूटीन है एज ए फॉर्मेलिटीज. वी हैड अ वेरी शॉर्ट एंड क्यूट प्रेजेंटेशन अबाउट द कंपनी, ओवरऑल द प्रोफाइल ऑफ द कंपनी, क्योंकि इतने सारे 180 to 200 पीपल को एक साथ अगर हम लोग भी कहीं पर इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं तो हम कुछ कंपनी के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे, कुछ आप लोगों से सुनना चाहेंगे. सो दैट विल बी अवर ओवरऑल प्रोग्राम एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू बी रिलैक्स. नाउ यू आर इन द हॉल एंड वी आर हियर टू एंटरटेन यू फुल्ली. Whatever you want, we had organized dance, masti, etc., and as well as the display also. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Inspired by a South African-based company which provides sand for zirconium product, the key ingredient is used to impart whiteness and strength in the vitrified tiles. Overall, Exaro stands for excellent, exceptional, and exclusive. पहले तो आप सभी लोगों को what is Exaro, ये कहाँ से आया ब्रांड है, क्या है, कैसा नाम है Exaro. So basically, Exaro is a South African-based company which is providing zirconium to us. Zirconium vitrified tiles के लिए whiteness and strength के लिए usually reflecting it. So the name behind the Exaro is from Exaro. It's a unique identity shaped by Exaro. This is our plant location near Padra. The name behind Exaro, a brainchild of Mr. K.R. Patel, the visionary who made Region Granito India a niche brand at a very young age. He put innovation in the foundation Exaro Tiles, having strong penchant for quality and perfection. Strong believer of bringing innovation and creativity in the industry. Group subsidiaries: Rikasel Ceramic Industry Private Limited, based at Padra near Baroda, is producing 32 vitrified tiles. Region Granito India Limited, based at Himmatnagar, again the same, producing 2x2 vitrified tiles. Classic Microcheck Private Limited at Himmatnagar is again producing zirconium and other ceramic raw materials, etc. Sinoma Ceramic Private Limited at Khatraj, ceramic raw material and freight, etc. Here Salon Biotech Private Limited. Here the group subsidiary, little bit of diversification in pharma industries. Most probably it will start within a year. Our board of directors, Mr. K.R. Patel, founder and chairman. Over the 15 years of experience in ceramic industry. Mr. Ajay Kumar, technical directors. Over 25 years of experience in ceramic industry. Mr. Mukesh Patel, Director, Accountant, Finance, over 12 years of experience in ceramic industry. Mr. Kirit Patel, Director, Sales and Marketing, over 7 years of experience in ceramic industry. corporate profile, if it is beautiful tiles reflecting class, creativity, perfection and innovation, is ought to be Exaro. Aim to set the example of precision leads service by servicing satisfaction and plentiful tiling solution under one roof to discerning clientele. Offer the wide and vibrantly alive collection of tiles for extensive ability solution across various spaces like residence, retail, commercial or any other. As a world-class design made with strictly adhere to best quality standard representing futuristic trend and style. Our vision to be recognized for innovation and quality worldwide. Our mission to focus on technical strength with changing trends in the industry. To continuously evolve, keeping the clients ahead of time. To be an socially and environmentally concerned company, always putting welfare of environment and society first. Our corporate milestone, Region Greater India Limited, introduced 605 by 605 vitrified tiles in year 2004. In 2008, established Classic Microchip Private Limited for manufacturing an extensive range of zirconium products, sufficing varying industry needs like ceramic, glaze, freight, and refractors, etc. In 2010, Sinoma Ceramics came with the ceramic glaze and freight. Now in 2013, Exaro hold an esteemed position in vitrified tiles for its high-end quality and best ever service. Strength and opportunity. Production capacity 4.56 million square meter per year. Manpower experienced promoters. Strong team of professional, extensive network, self-supply of raw material, company own display house. Distributor and dealer channel, prompt service with the depot branches, new design at regular interval. This is India's first QC with planometer. Simply QC with planometer, one kind of well-managed sizing shortlisted candidate, one kind of QC with the planometer, which is recognized by sorting of vitrified tiles. This is one of the USP of our manufacturing unit established at plant. A unique sales point, Nano Plus Micropolis technology, high gloss vitrified tiles. This is our corporate office at Vadodara, Gujarat. Work at Padra, Vadodara location. This is our production setup, kiln, polishing line and brace. Our office is Ahmedabad, Delhi and Mumbai. Our depot, Bangalore, Chennai, Cochin and Morbi. This is our proposed depot, distributor and dealer network across India. Group subsidiaries presence across our globe. Thank you to all our associates for Mumbai event which was held 7th of September. Contiguous Recursion Ceramic Industry Private Limited. Looking forward to build India with a touch of creativity. Thank you very much. We are always Exaro, traditional and innovation. Thank you very much.
एक वीडियो क्लिप है that we would like to share with you because डबल चार्ज हम सब लोग lakhs of square meter बेचते हैं, बट वो कैसे बनता है, उसकी क्या लिमिटेशंस हैं, उसकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, वो शायद हम लोग इतना टेक्निकली डेप्थ में नहीं जानते हैं. एज एंड व्हेन हम सब लोगों का जब प्लांट विजिट का प्रोग्राम होगा तब तो हम वो फिजिकली जाके प्लांट पे जाके हम लोग देखेंगे ही देखेंगे, बट बाय दैट टाइम इसमें जो इसका सबसे बड़ा मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है दैट इज अ फीडर ऑफ दैट डबल चार्ज टाइल्स, जो ऊपर की बॉडी एज वेल एज डिजाइन को वो तैयार करके प्रेस को फीड करता है, इसको फीडर बोलते हैं। तो वो जो फीडर है उसका एक थोड़ा छोटा सा क्लिप है दैट वी वुड लाइक टू शो यू। ऊपर की डिजाइन कैसे तैयार होती है इसका पूरा एक व्यू है।
आप सब लोग यहाँ आए एक्सर्व न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्चिंग सेरेमनी में आप सबको इनवाइट करते हैं और ये प्रोग्राम की वैल्यू बढ़ाई है, इसके लिए हम आप सबका आभारी हैं। और आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग आगे का प्रोग्राम एक्सर्व टीम के साथ आगे बढ़ाएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
our technical director, Mr. Ajay Kumar.
Good evening, sirs. We welcome all the dealers who have made their presence here and will be sharing their thoughts during the course of meeting tonight. And as a technical director, it gives me a great pleasure to share some technical things with you, what we have in our factory. Really, thanks to our chairman, since he is always believes in the making good quality product rather than going for quantities. And his vision, ambitions leaves the company having a advanced technology which can make the double charge tiles. Really, we thank to Mr. K.R. Patel for making such kind of infrastructure for manufacturing of double charge tiles. As far as the production is concerned, we are making 1,20,000 square feet double charge tiles as on today. And we are making in 80 by 80 sizes. And the series like Topaz, Galaxy, and Montana and Murano series. And each series having 3 to 4 designs in each series. And apart from this series, we are going to introduce another 3 series and 4 designs in coming couple of days. And besides the 80 by 80 size, we will be having 120 by 80 centimeter tile in the coming couple of months, maybe in the month of December or November end. And the same designs series what we have in 80 by 80, the same things will be coming in 120 by 80.